Morning, people. How are we today? This is just a quick one, hence no setting anything up here or anything. In the last video I talked about the sniffer dogs sniffing out the lurgy. Well, now scientists have apparently, this is on mainstream media, mind, so don't believe it if you don't want to, really, but scientists have discovered a way of discovering from a cough the sound of a cough if you've got the lurgy. And apparently this can be done from a recording of a cough. Now, I find it quite amusing, but think of the implications of this. Not only have you got the app that's morphing into a social passport, but now all they've got to do is monitor your phone calls. You cough in the wrong way, they're going to come battering down your door saying you've got to isolate, you've got the lurgy. How much more ridiculous is this going to get? Absolutely unbelievable. And I see from XXTWXX that the migrants have been kicking off again. They've been coming in regular. Last count up until, what was it, just coming up to midday. I should say that's well over 60 already today. Well over, and more on the way in. But yeah, they're going to be able to tell from your cough if you've got the lurgy. It's turning into more and more of a fantasy world everywhere, isn't it? Anyway, people, just a quick one. I just wanted to put that out there. As always, my respects to you all, and thank you very much for supporting me. And until the next one, stay safe, stay strong, absolutely stay free. No coughing on the phones, mind. Respects.